going to be making an origami.
That's right, origami. Good job.
Origami notebook.
Origami notebook. So, Madeline is actually going to be leading the way on this one. So Madeline is going to be our host for today. She'll be sitting in the middle chair, Honey Buns.
Yep, because I always look up origami on YouTube. And
yeah,
I have a lot of fun with it.
She's our origami expert. So she's going to be leading us through. And we are very excited to learn how to do origami notebooks.
It is very simple. All you need is just one sheet of paper and some scissors.
One sheet of paper, some scissors. Landon's actually going to be behind the scenes working the camera. If we need help on the camera, he's going to help us there.
And I'm going to switch the camera.
Landon's also going to be getting ready for his drawing of an army man that him and I are doing later. And so if you want to check out a cool video, go ahead to Craft Kids TV, our channel, and look for how to draw an army man, okay?
And then maybe next week, we're going to be drawing a tank.
Well, maybe. We might draw a tank at some point, so look for that too, okay?
As it's up there.
All right, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
All right, we're
very
going to
ready.
fold some paper. Here we go. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so now that we're starting our origami notebook, the first step is to fold your paper. So your paper is like this. You're just gonna fold it.
So some would say, like, fold it like a hot dog, right?
Yes, hot dog. Hot dog style, not burger. Hot dog.
Okay.
Okay, so once you're ready, you can fold it again.
Fold it again.
Match it up. Okay. So now you can unfold. All right, so now you fold this way.
Look what I have on mine.
Oh no.
I think it's kind of cool. I think Odin colored on this paper, so I'm going to leave it. All right, ready? What do we do? Fold it in half the other way?
Yes.
Okay.
A different
Some would say this is like a hamburger.
hamburger. Yes.
So we're folding it in half this way. Nice. Very nice.
Okay, and now fold it like that.
Okay.
You're just repeating the steps on a different side like we did in the start.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can unfold it all the way. And then you see this one? You fold it back like that again. It's not folding how I want it to.
Okay, so you fold it back like that again.
So it should be easy. And then here's the part where you need some scissors.
Okay.
So here, let me show you where to cut. You're going to cut like this. So So when your paper is like this and you fold it, where you folded it is the side that you cut.
Okay.
Not this side where it has two papers.
Okay, so it's
This
very
side.
important to cut on the folded part, not
Yes.
the open end.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you just cut on those 3 folds. Only those 3 folds.
How far do you cut up? Just right till the...
Just to that line.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay, good. Thank you.
So you just cut up to this line on all 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this next step is going to be kind of hard to do. So these 2 flaps in the middle, you're only going... All right, so this might be kind of hard to explain, but see how it opens up? If you can see that.
Okay, I see that.
You're
That's a good
going
way
to
to
cut where it's folded on that. So just watch me. Just try to get it on that unfold it. Might be kind of hard.
I think you did a
So
great
it's
job.
like that.
Yeah, nice job.
All right, and then you do that with your second flap. These two flaps on the end, leave alone. Do not cut those.
Okay, that's good. That's important to know.
It is.
Right.
Okay, now you can unfold it just like how Dad has it. And then you want to make sure it is not horizontal. What's the word?
Vertical.
Vertical.
So Dad has to switch his around. There we go.
So then the flaps that we cut, you crease them and you fold them onto the other side. And you do that with all four. So flappy. All right. So once that's done, this part is a little tricky, so just watch me. This side, you're just gonna fold in like that. And make sure these stay like that.
Okay. Fold that in like that.
And then on the bottom, you're gonna do the same thing. So make sure that doesn't unfold down there.
Like that.
Yes, just like that. And then you keep it like that. And then you just fold it like this. And then you push these together, they'll form into pages. And then boom, you have a notebook. And then you can put like faces on it, but we'll get to that stuff in a minute.
Cool. I think Maddie's gonna have to help me because I sort of got lost when she did this step. You kind of brought it off the table, and then which way do you fold it? This way or the other way?
This way, so you fold it inwards.
So that these go up?
No, down.
These go like this.
Yes, exactly. And then
Okay.
those stay like that. And then you can push them like this.
Oh, see, that's the part I missed. Okay.
And then these become pages.
Awesome.
What about
Cool.
the back one? The back one?
That's okay.
Oh, yeah. Just gotta kind of bend that.
Maybe you got creased in the wrong place or whatever.
Yeah, that's what happened to all my other notebooks that I've done.
Okay, cool. So,
So they'll end up something kind of like this.
Maddie's a little bit more of a precision folder than me, so hers came out nicer. But if you look,
But I have done these like 4 or 5 times already.
cool. So here's the little notebook. Here's
And-
Maddie's little notebook, and it's complete with pages and everything. So it's got all sorts of little pages that you can write on inside the notebook.
Yep.
Awesome.
And I like yours because some of the pages have designs on them.
Odin. All right.
Some of my notebooks, they have like these little stars on the page somewhere.
Do you want to show a couple of them?
Yeah, it's the... Yes.
Did you want to show this one?
So this one I made for Landon. He really likes Army. And instead of having pink cheek roses, I did camouflage like puddle ones.
Nice.
And the notebook is saying, I love Army.
Nice.
And then I made these two. This one has a little smirk on it, and then this one's, maybe it tasted something sour?
So it looks like it.
Kind of does.
So now, do you want to design a couple of covers? I think I have something
Yeah.
in mind for what I want to design.
And I have actually made one more. This one is a little more detailed. It is actually a unicorn.
That one's so
it
cute.
has the eyelashes, and then the pink rosy cheeks, horn, hair, and then some ears.
So cool. So cool. So, all right, why don't you explain to all of us how we can make some of these so cool?
Okay, so how you can make them so cool is on the front, you can design them however you want. Like you can put a dog, you could put a cat, you could do a smiley face, or you could do a unicorn, bear, cactus, avocado, or just like a regular smile. Or you could even do one like it's tasting sour. And you could do one that says it's like an army themed. if you like army.
I like it.
And you can do any type that you want, but what are you thinking that you're gonna put on your front?
So what I'm thinking is, I love these eyeballs, how you do these eyeballs. But I'm thinking, because you know how Dad likes big eyeballs. Like
Yes.
pretty much on everything I do, I like big eyeballs. I think I'm gonna put a couple of really big eyeballs on here and do like a surprised like circle mouth. Like
Yes.
very, just a surprised. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like
Landon's in the background making a face that is similar to what I'm gonna put on here. So.
And you know what? I might do an Among Us character on mine.
Oh, that'd be cool.
That would actually be really
Ooh,
cool.
yeah.
Just a mini Among Us character.
You could do that on one.
All right, so let's
Mine's-
get down to making. I'm gonna make some eyeballs.
Yes, me too. Well, I'm actually doing Among Us character, so I don't need eyeballs. I'm going to I'm gonna do a purple Among Us character because I can't do a pink one because my notebook's already pink. So I think I'm gonna do a purple Among Us character.
Okay, cool. So when we get these, right now I'm gonna work on some eyeballs, okay? And Maddie's gonna work on her Among Us character. When we're done, we'll show you what we have. We'll show you what it looks like. And then in the meantime, you'll have to check out our Among Us, our Among Us draw along session because we're doing one of those too. So check out Craft Kids TV to try to find that one.
Yes, when you go to search, type in craftkids.tv.com or not .com, just Craft Kids TV.
Craft Kids TV, yep.
And then you can follow along with us on all of our sessions.
Exactly, you can find all of our stuff at our channel.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna draw a couple eyeballs here.
Okay, so here is our finishing products of our notebooks. Mine says Among Us with a purple Among Us character on it, and I did the windshield or the shield, face shield, 2 types of blues. I got a light blue and I've got this darker blue. Do you want to share yours, Dad?
Sure. So what I did was I went with the really big eyes and the surprised face, and I think it came out really good. And I love my little origami notebook.
Me too. And you can write all your notes in it.
All right, so we'll be back in just a second for the final reveal and the dad joke of the day. Actually, today it's a Maddie joke of the day.
Oh, yes,
right.
it is. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, here is our reveal of our origami notebooks. Super simple. It's got quite a few pages. And I love that we can decorate it however we want on the front. And I hope you had fun, but first it's time to tell Maddie.
A Maddie joke of the day. So Maddie was hosting again today, doing her origami work, and she's got the joke of the day.
No
So
more dad jokes.
let's have it.
What do you call cheese that's really small?
I don't know.
Cheese whiz.
Oh, cheese whiz. Arrgh. You goof. That was a good one, Maddie. I like that one.
Yeah.
High five.
I love cheese whiz.
All right, guys. If you liked that video, smash the like button. And,
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
hey, guys, don't forget to check out craftkids.tv.com as well. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.